Hey everybody, it's Brian over at Showcase Agency. Today we're going to talk about reverse mortgages, and specifically what we're going to cover are any upfront costs that you might have to get a reverse mortgage. So what are the upfront costs? There's two of them. One is the appraisal and one is the reverse mortgage counseling. So the appraisal, how much does that normally run? Usually runs about $600 to $700 nowadays. Gas prices being so high have kind of driven the price up. And there's some additional management fees in there that Congress passed like 10 years ago. So anyway, if you haven't gotten an appraisal on your home in a while, you may be kind of sticker shocked by the price. But it's usually around $600 to $700 or so, sometimes maybe $550, just depending on different things. Now, you have to pay that up front. You can put it on a credit card if you like. And if there's a problem with you being able to pay for that up front, just let us know and we'll see what we can do to work through that. The second upfront expense that you have is for counseling. You have to get reverse mortgage counseling with most reverse mortgage products. So when you get the counseling, there's typically a $75 fee. But sometimes there are grants, could be a state grant or county grant, and the grants are covering those fees for people getting a reverse mortgage. So sometimes that money dries up and there's no more money to cover the fee, so you have to pay the fee yourself. So when it comes time for you to get counseling, we do our best to direct you in a way that gets you the counseling that's the best for you, and also help you find something that's free if that's available. So those are your two upfront costs. When you get a reverse mortgage, one of the things that you're going to get before you actually sign the paperwork to start the process is going to be a loan quote and also an amortization schedule. Those two things are super important. Your loan quote is going to show you the different programs available to you. It's going to show you what's called your maximum claim amount. It's going to show you what's called your principal limit, your net principal limit. Those are all the things that will be on your reverse mortgage loan quote. Super important document for you to review if you're considering a reverse mortgage. Another important document that people love to check out is the amortization schedule, because a fear with a reverse mortgage is that the balance is going to end up being more than the value of the house and you're underwater. So the amortization schedule is an estimate of how much your loan balance is going to grow over time, but it's also an estimate of how much your property value is going to appreciate over time. And so it's going to give you an estimated retained equity in your home. So people are usually curious, all right, I get this reverse mortgage, I'm not making a payment, it's got some interest, it's got some mortgage insurance that's piled on every month. If I live 10 years, if I live 20 years, what's going to be my equity in the house, or am I going to be upside down? What's my position? And that's what the amortization schedule is for. So if you would like one of these amortization schedules and also a loan quote, we'd be happy to get one to you. There's no cost or obligation. Just schedule a discovery call with us, and you can do that at Showcase. You can do it at showcasereversecall.com. And another resource that we have for you is our reverse mortgage guide. It's called Reverse Mortgage Pros and Cons. You can download a copy at showcasereverse.com. And one last thing for you, if you are looking for more video content on reverse mortgages, we've got a lot of new content being posted regularly. Check us out at reversemortgageyoutube.com.